Small business owners, wait. Before you pay someone to create your next advert, what if I showed you how to create professional advert video for yourself using just your phone and a few simple tools? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact process I use to create adverts that attract attention, build trust, and help businesses get more customers. Let's get started. So to do that, we're going to use our ChatGPT as usual. This is my ChatGPT app. I'll open it. Now, mind you, I don't have any business in mind now to promote. I'm just going to use any random business that comes to my mind. Okay, for this tutorial, let me use Blue Silver's link. So to that effect, I'm going to voice over to tell ChatGPT what I want to create, the type of advert I want to create. Hey ChatGPT, I want to create an advert video for Blue Silver's link. Give me 4 advert scenes, not more than 4, using the PPS ad formula, which means pain problem solution ad formula. I'll be using a character for this, not a voice over. Each scene should not exceed 8 seconds. Note, this advert is particularly for people with dry skin. Okay, I've sent my listen to ChatGPT. I'm waiting for it to respond. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. So this is the scene 1, this is the scene 2, this is the scene 3, and this is the scene 4. Alright, now that we've gotten the first step, which is getting the prompt, the next thing is to get the images that we'll be using for each scene. So I'll still use my voiceover to tell ChatGPT to give me scene by scene images for this advert. I want you to give me scene by scene images that will cover for these 4 scenes, the characters that will cover for these 4 scenes. Now that we've gotten the reference images, the images for each scene, the next thing is to generate these images. Note, I'm going to use 1 person. So what I will do now is, once I generate this first image prompt, I'll use it as a reference image to generate the rest. So to do that, I'm going to copy this prompt. I'll head over to my Gemini. You can use any other AI generating tool though. So I'll paste the prompt here. You hold on for it to generate. Now the image is ready. Gemini gave me 2 images and it came in landscape. This is for YouTube. Mind you, if you're creating the ad for your Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, you should specify in this prompt that the image should come in 9:16, which is portrait. But this image now came in landscape, which is 16:9. So I'm going to download these 2. I'll save these 2, and then I will use them as a reference image to generate the remaining parts of the images. So I'll head over to my ChatGPT again. I will copy the prompt for scene 2. I will copy it. So I'll head over to my Gemini to generate the image. Then for this, I'm going to click on this plus icon to get the image of this lady, because I'm going to reference it to avoid facial disparity. Then I'll paste the prompt. I'll add here using the reference image. Using the reference image, create since the first image came in landscape, so let me add to the prompt. The image should be 16:9. We also hold on for it to generate. So this is the image. This is what you're going to do until you generate all the images for the scenes. Next videos, and to do that, we are going to scroll up to where we have the video scenes. So this is scene 1. I'll copy scene 1. This is scene 2. I'll copy scene 2 also. Probably I'll just copy all the scenes at once so that I won't be coming back to this ChatGPT. Then this is the last scene. Then we head over to the generating app. For this I'm going to use YouTube to generate this video. So I'm heading over to my YouTube app. For those who don't know, you can use YouTube to generate AI videos. Of course you can, and it is free. So this is the interface that comes up when you open your YouTube. Then you click on this plus icon here, this plus icon at the lower down side. You click on it, it comes to this interface. You click on shorts, you select shorts. When you select shorts, you click on this third icon here at the upper right hand side. You click on it, and this is the interface it brings you to. Then you see create video, make move photo to video. So because we are using images we created already, we are going to select this photo to video. When you select photo to video, it automatically takes you to your gallery. Then here is where you select those reference images. Remember, for the first scene, Gemini gave us 2 images, which is this and this. So I'm going to, which one should I take now? Okay, let me take this one. So I'll select this. You want to use the image for that scene. Then you come here, display your scene, bring your photo to life. This is where you paste the prompt. I'm going to paste the prompt for scene 1. So this is the prompt for scene 1. I will paste. Then at this beginning, I'm going to add a rule. Use this reference image. Use this image rather as a strict facial and outfit reference for this video. Then I will come at the ending parts. I will also add words should be pronounced correctly. Pronounced correctly using Nigerian English. So I'll go ahead and send this prompt. You wait for the video to generate. So this is the video. So I'm going to increase the volume so you can hear what she's saying.
It is so embarrassing. See my skin, dry, rough, and always looking dull. It is so embarrassing.
So this is the same one. I think the next prompt I'm going to put, I'll remove the text on screen, because some of the words are not correct on this. This is the scene 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to download this. To download, you click on this 3 icon here. You click on save to device. So this is the scene 2. Let me increase the volume so you hear what she's saying.
No matter how much water I drink, my skin still cracks and loses moisture. Even with all the hydration, it just seems to struggle to stay smooth.
So this is the scene 2. Remember the same process. Still click on this 3 dots here to download to your device. Then this is the same process you are going to use for the remaining 2 scenes. Going to read the remaining parts, then we head over to the final part. So once you are done getting all the video scenes, the next thing is to go to your CapCut, InShot, Filmora, depending on the editing app you use. As for me, I use CapCut, so I'll head over to my CapCut to compile these videos. This is my CapCut. This is the interface that comes up when you open your CapCut. You click on this new video. You click on this new video, then you select the videos that you've generated. This is the video 1. This is the video 1. This scene 1. This is the scene 2. This is scene 2. This is scene 3. This is scene 4. and this is 5. Don't mind me for this last part, this wrestling part. I just added it at last. So I'll click on HD, I'll click on add 5. So because there are no much mistake on this clips, there will be no much thing to do on this CapCut rather than to just add it the way I've done. Then if I want, I can increase the volume. If I want, I can add a background music because there is no much thing to do here. You can add a caption if you want. You can add a background music. So let me delete this. There's no much thing to do in this CapCut rather than to just compile it. Then you can change the aspect ratio if you want to, depending on the platform you are posting. You select the aspect ratio. If you want to add a background music, you click on this plus audio, you click on sounds, click on sounds, and it takes you here. This is for your music album. You see device, you click on device. That's if you want to use the sounds on CapCut. Let me just select any sound from CapCut. Here you search for the type of music you want. I can just search for romance and see what they'll bring out for me. Click on the search icon. They'll bring out many romance songs for you. Then you can just select anyone you want. Okay, I think I like this. All you just have to do is to click on this plus icon. Remember, you can also create your own music. I think I've taught how to do that. You can create your own music using Suno AI and create the type of music you want. So I've added the music. I'll click on it to reduce the volume so that the music doesn't overshadow the voice of the characters. I'm going to lower this thing, and that's all. I'm not
see my skin.
So that's how to create your own advert for your business without paying anybody to create advert videos for you. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like this video.